Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pancakes without vanilla essence using an easy method. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's mix our batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk the milk, egg, and melted butter until well combined. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry, stirring gently with a whisk or spatula until just combined. Remember, a few small lumps are okay. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes, and we want them light and fluffy. It's time to cook. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. You can test if it's ready by dropping a tiny bit of water. It should sizzle. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, or until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Then, flip them over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown. Your delicious, vanilla-free pancakes are ready. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings. Classic choices include maple syrup, fresh berries, or a simple dusting of powdered sugar. You can also get creative with chocolate chips, whipped cream, or even a dollop of fruit compote. These easy-to-make pancakes are perfect for a delightful breakfast or brunch, proving you don't always need vanilla for fantastic flavor. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.